Refrigerators and freezers. Wipe shelves weekly. Remove expired or leaking items. Deep clean monthly using warm soapy water plus baking soda. How often should you clean? Here's a simple hygiene schedule you can adopt at home. Every use. Counters, cutting boards, utensils, sinks, stovetop. Daily. Fridge handles, cabinet handles, kitchen cloths and sponges, bin area. Weekly. Fridge shelves, microwave interior, backsplash area, cupboard surfaces. Monthly. Oven interior, freezer, under sink area, large appliances, blender base, toaster, and kettle. Common mistakes to avoid. Even experienced cooks make these hygiene mistakes. Using the same cloth for dishes and surfaces, not sanitizing after cutting raw meat, leaving sponges wet overnight,